Lucas Oil Diesel Deep Clean in the 64-ounce size is a concentrated diesel fuel treatment designed specifically to keep modern emissions systems working smoothly over the long term. In regular use, it helps the fuel burn more completely, which cuts down on soot loading and eases the strain on diesel particulate filters in both pickups and heavy-duty rigs. The formula is strong enough to loosen and carry away existing deposits in the exhaust and filter, reducing back pressure so the engine can breathe more freely. By cleaning injectors and improving combustion quality, many users notice smoother acceleration, quieter operation, and more consistent power under load. Keeping the particulate filter cleaner for longer stretches can mean fewer forced regenerations and less downtime for work trucks that need to stay on the road. The large 64-ounce bottle is well suited for owners who plan to treat multiple tanks and want a practical way to maintain fuel economy and engine health over time.